Hola, it's me Didi and welcome back to another episode. I know Fuego Face has been on a hiatus because I just wasn't feeling it. I also haven't been doing drugs since the pandemic started, and also just lately because of the Black Lives Matter movement, I've really focused on putting some energy into going to the protests, spreading information and all these things. Really has made me take a deep look into myself to check my bias, check my privilege, check my just like ingrained racism that even if I'm not aware of it, it just didn't feel right to get back into the drag of it all. But it is Pride Month. One of my favorite videos that I made last year, one of my favorite looks, was my Pride Eyes look. I had one with splatters, I had one with glitter, and I also had one with the colors of the Pride flag on my eyelids. It also was the eye look that I wore the night I filmed my Too Much by Carly Rae Jepsen music video, which, go find it, it's really good. It's Carly Rae Jepsen approved. She posted it, she liked it. OEDM. Last year, though, for my Pride Eyes, I neglected to utilize the colors of the trans flag and also didn't include the black and brown stripes of the Rainbow Pride flag. Why? Didi, why? At the beginning, I was like, well, the Pride flag as it is about inclusion. It is for everyone. Didi. Times move on. Our awareness of symbols changes, and I have to agree. We, as a queer community, sometimes can be exclusionary. Is that a word? Exclusion. We exclude. Bueno, anyway. Also the trans. So yes, we're all part of the LGBTQIA+ community, but the T is very important right now, especially Black trans lives who have been especially targeted. Long story short, today we are redoing my Pride Eyes look to be inclusive of everybody in the community. It is important, and I'm sorry that I didn't include those colors before, but here we are. It's a new year. It's a better me. And hopefully I'll also be a more beautiful me. So let's get right to it. Sorry for the speech. Actually, not sorry for the speech. Here we go. Time for Pride Eyes, the squeakquel, fixed, revised, inclusivity version. Bigger, better, older, and more inclusive. Beep. I haven't done one of these in forever. Here we go. Okay, I look crazy. Today I'm doing my eyes first, and then doing the rest of my face. I'm gonna be using my Maron palette, which I love this palette. Yellow, green, orange you glad, red for filth, blue, purple. Time for the brown. Before we add the black, I'm gonna add the blue and pink for the trans flag. Pink like the... Okay, so this is something for now. I just gotta keep going, which I encourage all of you to do if you're trying this eye or any makeup. When you're starting to panic about like what's gonna happen, I'm doing things wrong, mistakes, whatever, actually just keep going. So now we're adding the black. And this acts as the cut crease shader. I don't know words, but the crease shadow. Some color underneath. All right, white, blue, pink, white. And then, if you put them together, okay, I'm gonna go in with powder. First, I'm gonna do a little bit of the nose contour just so that the lines carry on. Because I'm getting really freaked out that this separation looks like nuts. Now let's blend this black out. Does that make sense now? Now I'm gonna blend the blue and the pink into the white. Okay, eyebrows. Let's go right into it. Final fixins on the black. I need water. So of course there will be lashes, and I will add a little bit of this and a little bit of that to judge it up, but I like it. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to reveal the final look. Happy Pride! All right, this is my Pride Eyes look. We got all the colors, brown, black, and then the trans colors. I'm exhausted, I'm late. It's in my own house and I'm still late to a Zoom. Haven't been in drag in like 3 months and this is what we came up with. I am not mad at her. Thank you all for joining me on this look. Happy Pride, keep on fighting the good fight, and I love you. Okay, now we're done. Bye.